at that. You got a hole in your floor.
Yeah.
And when you tile, you can stop even a half-inch shy.
Okay.
So the laser tells you if you're straight from wall to wall. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I gotta figure that out because I don't know exactly how to set it up. So it's okay even to see some orange come through?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sweet.
So if you have a high spot like this and it like doesn't match, you can just move a little bit away and then set it as well. We'll have the rug there, then we can connect this one.
Okay.
So either way.
Okay, Pasha just left. I watched him very closely as he did these 2 rows. If we need assistance, he is on call. Gavin's not here yet. He's coming with more Schluter all set bags, thin set. So now I'm gonna mix up another bucket and I'm going to do the 3rd and 4th row. And I'm gonna keep going. And he set up the laser, so he said I shouldn't have to move it. Unless I really want to. It looks so straightforward, but I know once I start doing it, I'm gonna be like stressed out. But it's all fine, because it's fine. I definitely looked into this laser multiple times.
That's not good.
There's nothing I can do about it.
Do you want the other one?
No, this is good. Thank you. That's so much better. Hello. Last night Gavin and I were here until 11:30 p.m. tiling. My body hurts, my back hurts, my head hurts, my legs hurt. I have so much respect for everybody who does tiling as their job because it's so hard. I slept in and I ate food and now I am going to tile the rest of the floor. There's like half of the floor left and I am by myself because Gavin's at work. So I'm hoping it won't take me as long as yesterday was going. I think that, yesterday it was like late and also we were still figuring out how to do it and now I know how to do it better. So I think it should go faster, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, it's gonna be fine, everything's good. I'm gonna finish today. My goal is to finish by the time Gavin gets home so he can come by the house and be impressed.
I pulled it out because I thought this was the cap for it, but I guess you... Hey, look at that! pretty good, Rosalind.
I appreciate that. I think I'm just gonna stand.
Huh?
I'm gonna stand for the rest of it. 'Cause my body can't handle this anymore. Whew. Oh, maybe I can't stand because then I keep standing back up.
Blood rush.
Yeah. I'm not a giraffe.
Huh?
You know, giraffes have really special systems in their body so that they can dip their heads down below their bodies to drink and then stand it back up. Because any other animal that would kill them, the amount of blood rushing. The most perfect thing I've ever seen.
It'll do.
It'll do. If it was out and about in the floor, I would say,
Grant says
yikes.
it'll be fine.
Grant would say, it'll be fine. 3 more.
Wow. Bam.
Bam. You want to turn the laser on?
Oh yeah. Oh snap.
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. You know what?
I'm not gonna put a level on the floor. Cause
Why not?
I don't care.
Just for fun.
No!
Alright.
No. Addicted to stuff, you know. Oh, my knees. I could cry.
I know. You killed it, Rosalind.
Wow!
You did it all.
And look at these straight lines.
I know.
Hooey!
Clean broad lines, I like it.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Today is cabinet day.
Uppers.
Upper cabinet day. And all the cabinets are over here that we got from Second Chance. We need to get that one first. Garage is crazy.
Now that's strange because there's, oh, okay, I'm putting my X on the wrong side of the line, but I was,
Like sometimes if you take this, would you start with this cabinet or no, you'd start
I'd
here?
start in the corner,
But
so I'll
you-
have to shim up to that height.
Interesting.
Push back, yeah, and until
No,
it
push
comes to the
back.
Nice.
Good.
Yeah.
So don't drive that one home, Daryl. What you got?
It could
Wants to go forward, which it can.
some half and half.
Yep.
Yes.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah, put these on.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful. Wow.
Aren't they awesome?
Sick.
Step 1 tile to bring the plumbing up through
Okay.
the floor.
No
I'll
problem.
do 1 and put 3 pipes through the one spot.
Okay.
You've got one here somewhere, don't you?
Yep.
This is in the second drawer?
The blades lower.
Yep. Okay.
Wow. Okay, so yesterday we were putting in the cabinet doors for the upper cabinets. Some things need to be tweaked a little bit and they need to be scrubbed. Like they're really disgusting because they're salvaged and like they were not cleaned and they were sitting in our garage also all that time. So we're gonna have to do that. But first, we need to sand the ceiling. My dad has been mudding it and he did like I think 4 coats of mud, so he's awesome. And my job is to sand it, so I need to get drop cloths out to protect the floor, and we have not grouted the tile yet. After I sand the ceiling, then we can grout the tile. Welcome to grout day. I'm in my grout fit. I'm gonna start mixing up the grout for the floor, and I read the instructions and I think I know what to do. I also have my tiling book that I've been referring to, which is great. We're gonna go with black grout, which is a little controversial because I know a lot of people, because the floor is dark, maybe would go lighter. But while I wouldn't mind that look, it's really gonna be a little bit high maintenance because the kitchen gets so dirty and it's just like a high traffic, high mess area, and I'd really rather have a dark color that is not so annoying to clean. And I like the juxtaposition of the industrial look versus the traditional country style, French country style cabinets. Just arrived from the Netherlands. My pendant light.
Pretty cool.
Amazing. It's bigger than I thought, which is awesome.
Hey!
You're scaring me. You're holding it crazy.
I'm holding it very tight. Being good. Wow. Bone china. That is cool. I like that one so much.
And I think it spins, yeah. Swivels. It's so beautiful. This is how it would look. Wow. Hooray! Our electrician asked me if I wanted him to put this shade on the light, and when he was installing it, I said no because I was scared that it could get broken, but I do really want to see it on here, and then I'll just take it back off, I think, because yeah, we're still like doing trim and installing things, and that does scare me a little bit, so I will probably wait to put this on permanently for a while, but I'm gonna put it on now so we can all see it. Okay, like it's kind of hard to see it on camera, but this looks so beautiful. I love it so much. It's like this soft, warm, like ambient, glowy dream. That's how it feels. I love it so much. I couldn't get the shade to go on like fully. It's a little bit crooked still. And I am like terrified right now. So I'm gonna take it down and I'm gonna put it back in its bubble wrapped safety box. But I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. I don't have any memory. I'll have to check if I already showed you guys the fridge coming in. Like, I can't remember. Everything's, there's so many things happening. So we got a fridge. And I already put some things in here, like hot sauce and pickles. I'm very excited about this fridge. I think I have footage of me showing it to my friends the day we got it. That's pretty crazy. Also, look, we just got our fridge delivered. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. This pretty much wraps up this video because we are currently working on actually installing the lower cabinets, and Gavin really wants to close the gaps between the crawl space and this floor because he doesn't want mice to be able to get in and out easily. So we're gonna close up those holes, and then we're working on putting in the door jambs and then the trim. So that's kind of what we're working on now. I'm probably gonna lose track of like part 3, part 4. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing like part this or if I'm just gonna be like kitchen update because we're gonna have a lot of kitchen videos. I'm so happy with this light. We put in the ceiling fan back that was already here because we were thinking of getting just a fan and we just haven't really found one yet, so the old one worked fine, so we're just putting it back. It's just not like our favorite style, so it's there for now and it's fine. A lot of the electric is wrapping up and our faucet came in, which I'm excited about. I got it on eBay actually. I haven't opened it up yet, so hopefully it's good. The sink is coming, and we're gonna put in a temporary countertop in. So all these things are what we're going to be working on next. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.
The life of Rosalind is the life for